This video explains how to start and work with the Active ID app. The CardsOnline Active ID app allows employees, students, visitors, members or volunteers to receive, keep and manage their Active ID to use for mobile identification, access or a data check. Active IDs are designed with the card designer and issued using the data manager similar to a digital ID. When an Active ID is issued, the cardholder receives a notification email with instructions on how to download the app and use their Active ID. Click on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store button to download the app. Now that the Active ID is downloaded and installed on the cardholder's phone, the cardholder registers for an account on the app. They enter their preferred email and password. After successful registration, the cardholder receives an email with a verification code to be used in the app. Open the app and log in with the credentials set up during registration. The cardholder clicks on verification via the menu and enters the code received in the email. Only after verification will the cardholder be able to receive their Active ID. The Active ID app menu offers navigation to account information, settings, new passes, and the active passes available for the cardholders to use as identification. When a new pass is issued, a new passes link will appear in the menu. Click on the new passes to accept the new pass and make it available in your active passes. Active passes shows the available Active IDs issued to the cardholder by a CardsOnline administrator. They can swipe through the different types of passes. Double-click an Active ID for a full view. Use a data check QR code in your Active ID to verify access, for example. Create an efficient issuance process and secure location to keep your IDs. The Active ID app,